Hey guys, so I'm back here and we're reacting to this. Then we're gonna play this. So, let's go. Hi guys. This will be very funny. Nah. I was just kidding. Let's go react tomorrow. I mean later. Okay, let's go. In case you haven't figured it. Okay, here I'm playing Baldi's Basics again. Warning, in case you haven't figured it out yet. This game is intended to be scary game. As such, it has some things that might scare players and is generally pretty spoopy. Spoopy? You mean spooky? Jeez. Well, at least it's supposed to be. If you downloaded this thinking it will be great edutainment for your kid or something, don't let them play it unless, of course, they enjoy scary games. No, I'm just a kid, okay? You have been warned. Press to continue. That's Baldi. Baldi's Basics in Education and Learning. Okay. Here it is. So, yeah. This is really the school. Why does he call it a schoolhouse? And why is he creepily staring at me? That's creepy. That's scary. Okay. So, you see this little black dot here? It's actually your mouse. Okay, so here's the first notebook. Favorite subject? Nah. Okay. 3 minus 7. 3 minus 7. Oh, it's -4. Oh, it's -4. It's -4. Empty box. Empty keyboard. We have the right answer. And 1. 3 minus 7 equals -4. Great job. That's right. Okay, that's what he says. Dude, 6. Jeez. 6 plus 8? That's hard. Okay. 6 plus 2. 6 plus 8 equals 14. Oh. Okay. Thank you, Baldi. Thank you. Okay, let's see the school rules. When you follow the school rules, no running, no entering faculty, no bullying, no drinking, no escaping detentions, no fourth wall breaks. Why? Jeez, you're weird. I'm not even holding a B soda right now, so that's a good thing. I always wish that I always wish that I had a bee soda to squirt the bee soda, at Baldy. Okay, here's the next notebook. Oh, I already have one notebook, so yeah. 4 minus 5. Negative 4. 4 minus 5 equals negative 1. I'm using finger counting. Guys. So, 4. Wait, is it real? Is it real? Three minus 7. I'm confused. Oh. 4, 4, 4. Oh no, this is the hardest question ever. E. Nothing. Okay. I'm quitting this Baldi's Basics game. I'm playing Baldi's Basics again. And something that might is really bad because we already know this. There's a how to play. We already told you that. Options, turn sensitivity, controls, rumble, analog movement. Okay, so. Zero. E. Hello, Baldi. E. Sorry, guys. Okay, guys, so I am going to do quick draw. This will actually be the loudest voice ever. Sheep. I'm gonna draw a sheep.
I see squiggle. More loud.
Haha. Mosquito.
I see man. More circle. I see first. More man. More me. Oh, I know.
Binoculars.
I see moon. More circle. More crazy.
Car.
I see rainbow. More hat. More green walls.
television. This is television.
I see keyboard. Or square. Oh, I know. It's television.
Newspaper.
I see bench. Or keyboard.
This is only under 20 seconds.
Or eraser. Or postcard. Or book. Oh, I know.
Yeah! So here are all the correct stuff. Are now let's figure out 6 of your doodles. Okay, here. Okay. I was trying to make Wooly the sheep. Broccoli. Rain, no. Mosquito. That's how I drew a mosquito. Bee. That's not a bee. That's a shark. A striped shark. A bird. That's not a bird. I don't care. Okay. Binoculars. Those are binoculars. Eyeglasses, sunglasses. Those are not sunglasses. Car. Here's a car. Match car. Helmet. Sea turtle. Okay, these are the dumbest parodies ever. Television. Alarm clock. Radio. Man, that's weird. Newspaper. We're asked to draw newspaper. You drew this and the narrow net recognized it. Correct match. Newspaper. Book. Postcard. Oh! It also thought that your drawing looked like these. Okay, guys. Let's draw stitches.
I see me. Or hexagon. Or table.
That's easy.
I see circle. Or triangle. Or bucket. Or up. I see on top. Just 4 seconds. Yeah, that's the ocean. I see beach. Or diving board.
Sleeping bag.
I see moon. Or circle. Or donut.
That's not a
Or washing machine. I see milk.
Stupid. That's really stupid. Dang it. The Mona Lisa! Trying to draw the Mona Lisa.
I see keyboard. Or pillow. Or square. Or canvas. I see or passport.
The Mona Lisa! The bridge. It's a bridge.
I see. I see river. Or diving board.
It's bridge. It's a bridge. That's stupid. All of these are stupid. These are really stupid. Stitches blueberry. Camouflage. Homemade. Yeah, that's what a blueberry looks like. That's like a tomato. Submarine. It's so cute. Submarine. Yeah. Speedboat, diving board. Yeah. Oh yes. Oh, it looks super cute there. Okay. Now, the Mona Lisa. This is the Mona Yoga. Jail. How does he do the